beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ano, and I am back with another video, guys. On today's video, as you guys can see from the title, I'm about to show you guys how I roll my hair with no heat, like a perfect curls with no heat. So on this video, what you will be needing is you're gonna need some tail comb and some rollers, and you need some clippers here, okay, to clip the hair. So these are just what you'll be needing for doing this hairstyle. And I want to use the opportunity to thank you for your love, your support, your share on my channel. I appreciate you so very much for all the support. I do appreciate you all out there. So guys, without wasting so much of your time, this is my natural hair. For all those who are wondering what she carrying on right there, I'm carrying on my natural hair. So I want to show you guys how I curl my natural hair normally, with no heat, with nothing, just water and my rollers. Jump right into the this is my hair. So I'm going in with a side parting, as you guys can see from here. If you see me looking this way, know you guys on the mirror, okay? So I just go in and I part the hair from this side. You need a bigger comb to comb the hair. My hair is being combed. You just need to use some water right here in your spray bottle, whatever kind of spray bottle you have. You're just gonna go in now, and as I said, when I'm looking this way, no, you get it on the mirror. And when I spray a huge quantity, I'll just go in now with and I pat it. So take it this way. This is the rollers you get it's using. So when rolling my hair, I like to spread the hair, like to spread it round the rollers. It should be spread on the rollers. You understand what I'm trying to say? And I just go in and get my pin. So I'm just doing the same process all over. As you guys on the mirror. Put you some water. And there you go. At the last one, just trying to detangle it for a while. And there we go. That is it about the rolling. So when I roll it, I'll just let it sit for at least 3 hours to let it dry, or before I take it off. You can see this is how it should be looking like. You can see it's well rolled. Like I said, I did not keep it for so long, so I think the hair is really not that dried, but you guys can still figure out the curls as it's popping of all the rollers. You can see this one is really not that dry. So this is how the curls are looking like. This is how this. I'll just go in now with my coconut oil. You can see, got me some coconut oil right here. Just go in and I try to apply some on my scalp, just to moist my scalp. Sorry for the noise outside. I don't know where that is really coming from, but there's something going on outside there. So I'll just go in now. I really do not like curls on my hair, like really, for real. I really do not like too much curls on my hair. But if you're that person who loves curls, this is what you have to do. Do the same. And yeah, that's it. So I just do the same process in all of the hair. So guys, when I'm done, this is how the curl stands out. As you can see, the hair it's popping. This is how the hair turns out. Just go in and I try to open up the line a little bit, just open it up a little bit, and you are good to go. Like with no heat, you can achieve your own curls with no heat. So this is my natural hair. Just roll it with water and let it sit for at least 3 hours or 4 hours. It all depends on how fast and quick your hair get dry. So I think that will be all about the video for today. I hope you love the video. I hope you love the curls, and I hope to see you in my next video. That's so nice. Love you all. See you in my next. Bye. Peace out.